A particle of mass m is released from a height, okay, of loop of radius r as shown. If h is equal to 2 times r, we have to select from the given options, okay. Now first of all, when the particle is released from a certain height and it moves along the smooth vertical, it moves along the smooth plane. So now over here the total energy by law of conservation of energy, total energy, let me call this point as A and some other point as B, okay. Let me take the topmost point as B, okay. So now total energy at A should be equal to total energy at B, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे total energy at A will be equal to mgh, okay, and total energy at B will consist of two energies, that is half mv square plus mgh. If you consider the height from the ground, it will be equal to 2 times r. So mg 2 times r. So basically if I calculate the value, h will come out to be 5 by 2r, okay, because the velocity at the topmost point, that is the minimum velocity required to cross the topmost point, is equal to minimum velocity required is equal to root gr, okay. When I plug in the value over here, root gr का square हो जाएगा gr, half mgr plus 2gr will be equal to 5 by 2 gr. तो minimum height required will be equal to, if I write down the value, minimum height required will be equal to 2.5 r, okay. इतना तो minimum रहना चाहिए, but now the height given over here is 2r, okay. So it will not cross the topmost value, तो A wrong हो गया, B is the correct option, okay. Since it is a multiple choice question, let us see the rest of the rest of the options over here, okay. If the particle breaks off, it is given that if the particle breaks off at h is equal to r or between h is equal to r and 2r. एक तो हमें पता है कि पार्टिकल ये टॉप मोस्ट पॉइंट तो क्रॉस नहीं करेगा. Let us see if it can cross this point, okay. Let us see if the particle can cross this point, okay. Now it is very clear that if it breaks off, let us assume that it breaks off at h is equal to r, okay. It breaks off at h is equal to r. If it breaks off at h is equal to r, it means that the contact with the surface or the contact with the loop, there will be no contact with the loop, okay. Basically it means that there will be no contact with the loop. That is the normal force in this case, which should be equal to 0. अगर यहाँ पे normal force is equal to 0 है, अगर यहाँ पे normal force is equal to 0 है, there is no contact between the body and the particle over here, there is no contact between the body and the particle over here. तो यहाँ पे if you calculate the by law of conservation of energy, it will have certain velocity v, okay. It will have certain velocity v. For that, let us find out the velocity of the particle at the bottommost point, okay. Velocity of the particle at the bottommost point when it's released from this height, it will be equal to mg into 2r will be equal to half mv square, okay. Let it be as it is. Let me call this point as c, okay. Now if it breaks off, it means that ये वाले point पे the velocity temporarily will be equal to 0, okay. Velocity temporarily will be equal to 0. So again applying the formula, half mv square, that is velocity at c square, should be equal to mg into r, okay. Should be equal to mg into r. When I plug in the value over here, तो यहाँ पे minimum velocity at ये minimum required है, ठीक है, और maximum velocity basically, okay. तो यहाँ पे maximum velocity required should be equal to it will be equal to root gr, okay. अगर इससे ज़्यादा रहेगा velocity, then the body will go on performing the circular motion. अगर इससे कम रहेगा velocity, then body will break down below this point, okay. It will break down somewhere over here, okay. So now let us see minimum velocity, maximum velocity required is root gr, but हम लोग का भी यहाँ पे velocity कितना provided है. If I calculate the value using this part, vc will be equal to root 4 gr, okay. तो यहाँ पे actual velocity obtained is root 4 gr, but the velocity required for break off is root 2 gr, okay. Since the velocity at point c is greater than the maximum velocity required, it means that the body will not break at this point, okay, and it will go on performing somewhere over here and it will break at this point somewhere over here, okay, between height r and between this entire height 2r, okay. So the correct option is option number D. So the two correct options are B and D.